Namaste and a very good morning to all the people who are watching this video. Today is a very good day to laugh, a very good day to be happy. So let us enjoy for 15 minutes. 15 minutes of fun. That is what we are going to do. Friends, every day when we get up in the morning, the first thing you should tell yourself is, I am the happiest person in the world. What? I am the happiest person in the world. I am the healthiest person in the world. And I am the most beautiful and handsomest person in the world. These are the three things, positive affirmation you have to do every day. The moment you say this, your whole body structure will change. It will be like this. Friends, during this lockdown, life isn't just surviving. I repeat, life isn't just surviving. It is dancing in the rain. Yes, laughter yogis are those who are not just happy surviving. We will make the most of this. It is lockdown. We say, come on, bring it on. So friends, let us start by just warming up. Come on. Breathe in from your nose. Come on, keep doing. If you can do, put your legs down and my whole body is shaking. Shake, baby, shake. Shake, Baba, shake. Everything we are going to do is 15 minutes of fun, 15 minutes of laughter. Whether we are exercising our eyes or our hands, we will just laugh. Because this laughter is in the form of physical exercise. When you normally laugh, you will laugh for 5 to 6 seconds. But that is not enough for you to get all the physiological changes. But to get all the changes, physical as well as mental changes, we have to laugh continuously. And since this is in the form of physical exercise, I can stretch it as much as I want. Just see, take a deep breath, Mama. That was one breath, around 10 to 15 seconds, and that is what we want. Okay? Come on, keep your hands like this. Okay? Start. Keep laughing and follow us. Do it along with us. You will enjoy for 15 minutes. You'll forget the whole world, all your stress, all your tension. Everything will just vanish. Come on, join us. Alternate, okay? We are training our brain also. Elbow straight. Okay, now here what you have to do like this. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Breathe in. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Why am I laughing? I don't know. Laugh for the sake of laughing. It is 2 months of staying at home. 2 2 months of enjoyment. Doing nothing but laughing. Very good, very good, very good. Come on, like this. Keep your hands like this. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. 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 Ho, ho, ha, ha, Every cell of your body should laugh, my dear friends. Very good. Keep your hands like this, thumb inside. Come on. Clockwise, anti-clockwise. Very good, very good. Yay! Do like a child. Very good, very good. Yay! Tali. Ho, 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 ho. Full figure. Ho, 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 ho. Good. Now cup your hands like this, fingers together, push it outside, and now take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out from your mouth. Take a one more smile on your face. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay. Now 135-degree angle. Okay. Very nice. Breathe in. Breathe out from your mouth. Complete. Once more. Very good. Now 180 degrees upwards, okay? Stretch your hands. Two. Three. Four. And the last one. 5. How many minutes I've got?
9.
9 minutes I've got. Very good. So now you know we will do all laughter pertaining to the face. Okay? So many people are not able to go to the parlor. My wife has never visited a parlor. She goes to only one parlor, and that is the laughter parlor. She visits the laughter parlor every day in the morning. So we will do all those exercises which will just make your facial muscles healthier. Okay? Blood will start flowing faster to those areas. Okay? The first thing, what the children do with your lips, you know. Take a deep breath. Very good, very good. You understood the lips, okay? this regularly, you get a good pout, then you can take this photo. Once more we'll do it. Come on, take a deep breath. Okay, that was the first part. The second is exactly the opposite. We take our lips inside, between the teeth, between the gums, like this. And we laugh with our mouth closed. The whole pressure will be on the stomach and the neck. Sort of Brahmari, okay? Very good. The first one was second one was okay, 2. The third one, Santa Claus. O, okay? The upper lip will come down and it will be a big O. How? Ho 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 Once more. Only 3 minutes left. Oh, so I will do half of it today and half of it next time, okay? Once more. So we have done 3. Second one was third one was okay, now you have to this upper chin, okay, like this. Eyes, upper cheeks, okay. Eyes small. Once more. So the first one was second one third one fourth one the upper cheeks, okay, it will be up. Now the fifth one, the whole mouth, what we do every day, laughter. The best facial exercise. Take a deep breath. Once more. One last time. Very good, very good. We have done 5 exercises of the face. Now we will laugh for 1 minute. The biggest exercise, that is laughter. Laugh for no reason continuously for 1 minute. Breathing from the nose, okay? Laugh like us. Come on. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Many of us think that this is a big setback for us, our business, our life, that it has come to a full stop. No, we think it is not a setback, it is a setup for better things to come. So let us prepare ourselves physically and mentally to go through this and be ready when everything is normal, okay? Till then, keep laughing, join us every day, laugh for 15 minutes, get all the benefits. Once again, Thank you so